So Afriprecast was introduced here in Rwanda in order to manufacture buildings in very short times. Started its operation in 2018. Up to now, we took a lot of projects and then we deliver them. So we perform large-scale projects such as residential housing, like Batsinda project, and also the ongoing project, which is actually located the Gahanga project. From the start, we had a lot of projects, and actually we successfully delivered them. People are even tired of waiting buildings for so long. So I think the part of the innovation we do through design, we try to see what the market demand is, and we adapt to it, and then we design a product that can serve them very quickly. Among the projects we completed, there are some good projects, such as Kanombe military hostels, and we have Nare school. It's a very good example of a well-completed structure. The quality is something in our culture. In the factory, we take care of the quality of our products. So the products are prepared in a well-controlled environment. Every step of work is controlled and checked by quality control team. The technology was new, and actually the local engineers were not familiar with this technology. So we use many experts from abroad. The technology itself, it's unique, it's different from the conventional. For the local community contribution, we do employ over 1,000 employees. Of course, we will have over 400 people who are permanent at the factory, and you have other over 700 who are at different sites. So for the future plans for Afriprecast, we want to expand and then be able to deliver a lot of buildings, infrastructures. We are looking into affordable housing. So that's where we want to go. And we are trying our best to advertise and to let people know about Afriprecast and what we do.
The production process starts from reception of drawings from the design department. We have an in-house design department that produces the precast shop drawings. So upon reception of the precast shop drawings by the production engineers, they review the drawings to ensure that they have all the material requirements for the production. And once that is certified, they start the production process from the mold fabrication. Then simultaneously, while the mold is being prepared, we have the steel cages that are also being prepared simultaneously. So once the steel cages are ready to be lifted in place, they are put into the molds. And once that is done, they are ready for casting. So they are going to be checked by the quality control engineer before casting. Once it's certified by the QC engineers, then we proceed to the concrete casting. So once the concrete is casted, we have the finishing team. They do the finishing. We have a material engineer that checks the strength of the concrete, that it has reached a certain strength for it to be demolded. Once we get that confirmation that we can demold, then the element is demolded and transported to the stockyard. Once in the stockyard, also we allow it to cure for some time before it can be transported to site.
We receive what we call elements, of course, from stage to stage. When we start ground floors, we bring elements of ground floors up to the finishing. This is a project that is of 528 units, so it's a very short project, and we hope we are looking at completing it successfully.
Ikintu dukora ni ukukwereka n'icyuma akakubwira mizire ugomba gukata, ukazipima ukazikata. Hari bending machine ibihari, ukagenda ukakibendinga za mizire baguhaye ukazizana. Ikintu kintera imbaraga gukora aka kazi benshi bumva yuko ari ak'abahungu, icyambere ni ukwigirira icyizere, nkumva ko nshoboye, nkumva yuko icyo umuhungu yakora nanjye nagikora.